Can I use a hairdryer to unfreeze pipes?
Hello everyone, and welcome to our latest tutorial. Today we're answering a common winter question. Can I use a hairdryer to unfreeze pipes? In short, yes, you can. However, there are some important safety considerations and practical tips you should be aware of. So let's dive right into it.
What causes frozen pipes?
As temperatures drop, the water inside your pipes can freeze. This is especially true for pipes located in unheated spaces like garages, attics, or exterior walls. When water freezes, it expands. This expansion puts significant pressure on the pipes, potentially leading to bursts and consequent water damage.
Can a hairdryer be used to thaw frozen pipes?
Yes, a hairdryer can be a handy tool to thaw frozen pipes. It generates a safe amount of heat that can help melt the ice blockage when directed onto the pipe. However, it's not as simple as pointing and heating. Let's break down the correct procedure.
How to thaw frozen pipes with a hairdryer.
1. Identify the frozen pipe. Look for frost or ice on the outside of the pipe, or areas where the pipe is bulging. 2. Open the faucet. Before you start, open both the hot and cold handles of the faucet that the pipe leads to. This will relieve pressure in the system and allow the water to escape once it starts to thaw. 3. Apply heat. Turn on your hairdryer to the lowest setting and point it at the frozen section of the pipe. Start from the section closest to the faucet and slowly move down. Remember, never concentrate the heat in one place for too long, as this can damage the pipe or even cause it to burst.
Safety precautions when using a hairdryer.
Never use the hairdryer around standing water. Electricity and water don't mix well, and this can lead to serious injury or even death. Do not leave the hairdryer unattended while it's on and pointed at the pipe. Avoid using heating devices that produce an open flame, such as a blowtorch. This can heat the pipe too quickly and cause it to burst. So there you have it. Yes, you can use a hairdryer to thaw your frozen pipes, but it's important to do so carefully and safely. If the pipe doesn't thaw, or if you notice a leak or a burst, be sure to call a professional plumber immediately. Thank you for watching, and stay warm out there.